Then we have a letter. Write a letter to your friend telling him or her about an interesting place which you have recently visited. So now let's move towards what we are going to write in this. Topic of letter is to your friend telling him or her about the interesting place which you have recently visited. Here, can you see the way I have written a letter? You do not have basically to write this type. This is basically the mind map of letter. Now let's move towards the parts of the letter writing. Letter writing has basically three parts. The first one is known as header. Okay. This second is your main body, and the third is your footer. Okay. The header includes this part. We start the letter from the margin line of our copy. Examination hall, comma, city A dot B dot C. Date, colon, 19th June, comma, 20. Students, please remember that we have to write the full June. June does not have any shorter forms. Okay. Then we have salutation. Here, because this is an informal letter writing, because we are writing it to a friend, so that's why we are using the word dear. Okay. Now let's move toward the main body. How we are going to write the main body of the letter. Here I have drawn a mind map and some important points. From these important points we are going to construct or write a letter writing. We start the letter writing with asking about the health or the well-being of someone or to anyone we are writing the letter, right? So how we are going to start the letter? That I hope you are fine, or I hope that your health is good, right? Then you can also tell him or her about your health too. Then in the next we move toward the other point, that is telling the purpose of the letter. We tell the person to whom we are writing our purpose of letter writing. Now it can be any purpose. For example, here our purpose of letter writing is the place that we have visited. Now on contrary, it can be anything, that maybe you are answering to someone's letter, or maybe you are informing them, right? Then we will write our purpose, that why we are writing this letter to our friend. Then you will inform her or him that you are writing this letter to tell about the place that you have visited. Now it can be any place that you have visited. For example, let us take the northern side of the Pakistan. So you have visited the northern areas of Pakistan and you are going to tell your friends about that place. So you are going to tell your friend that I have been to this area or this place, and now I am going to tell you what I have done there. Then when you have been there, you can tell your time of going, your arrival or departure date, right? Then different points of visit, the places that you have visited at the northern areas of Pakistan. You can explain those places, or you can give information about those places to your friend. What you did. Now you can tell your friend that what you have done there, okay, or what are the things that you brought, or if you have brought anything for your friend, you can also write it down in the letter. Experience. How was your experience there? Which type of people you met there? Did you enjoy being there? So you can write all these things in your letter. Then the last is our ending. Students, it is very necessary to end the letter in a way that it connects with your upper part. Okay, the things that you are explaining in the upper side of the letter should compile with the ending. So how you are going to end with the letter? You can ask your friend that you can also visit that place, okay, or you can invite your friend to your place and ask him or her that you both can visit that place together when your friend will be here, okay. And the most important thing at the last is that you have to pay regards to the family members, to your friend's family member. Then the last part, that is the footer, which is yours truly, comma, x dot y dot z. Students, please remember that we do not put comma in the form of apostrophe s in the word yours, because this possessive word yours does not use apostrophe. Okay, thank you.